Happy borrowing money every month just to survive? Then scroll on, because if your paycheck disappears before mid-month, you're trapped in the same cycle millions are stuck in. But people just like you are breaking free, learning a skill that pays them online, even while they sleep. Let's explore affiliate marketing and how it works for different individuals. First up, the beginner's viewpoint. Starting affiliate marketing can be daunting. You need to choose a niche, join affiliate programs, and create content that attracts your audience. Research is key. Dive deep into understanding your niche audience's needs. Beginners often start with platforms like Amazon Associates due to its vast product range. Content creation, whether blogs, videos, or social media posts, needs to be consistent and engaging. Don't rush for immediate sales. Focus on building trust and providing value. Next, the experienced marketer. With experience, the focus shifts toward optimizing strategies. A seasoned marketer would analyze data meticulously, identifying top-performing content and scaling successful campaigns. Diversifying income streams by joining multiple affiliate programs is crucial. Automation tools can enhance efficiency, from email marketing to publishing. Experienced marketers often explore high-ticket affiliate programs for better commissions. Their content becomes more sophisticated, often incorporating SEO techniques to drive organic traffic. Now, the entrepreneurial viewpoint. Entrepreneurs approach affiliate marketing with a business mindset. They often create their own brands, using affiliate marketing as an income stream within a broader business model. They might integrate affiliate links into ebooks, online courses, or podcasts. The emphasis is on leveraging brand authority to influence buying decisions. Networking and forming strategic partnerships with other businesses can amplify their reach. Entrepreneurs value scalability and often delegate tasks to focus on strategy. Finally, the perspective of someone considering a career shift to affiliate marketing. A career shift involves assessing one's strengths and aligning them with affiliate marketing demands. Transitioners need a solid understanding of digital marketing concepts. Investing in learning new skills, like content creation and social media management, can be beneficial. Career shifters should create a plan outlining goals, income projections, and timelines to track progress. Staying updated with industry trends through courses and webinars can ensure continued growth. In conclusion, affiliate marketing offers diverse opportunities. Whether you're starting fresh, optimizing existing strategies, integrating it into a business, or transitioning careers, there's no one-size-fits-all approach. If you're done watching your salary vanish, click below and learn more about how ordinary people are creating real income online. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe.